mean, I don't know why. I don't understand that we don't get this fish in Ghana anymore. But here, all the fish have come to Senegal. This is octopus, fresh one. Over here. Yeah. Okay. So basically, this is fish town, and everything here is fish. So basically, the fishmongers buy this and store the fish themselves. They add in the ice, make the different kinds of ways. So all the unused fridge or all the spoiled fridge is being kept here, modified with a sack to get something like this with the cork, everything to preserve the coldness of it. So these cars are exporting fish with ice. My first time seeing a truck pulling out a canoe. Interesting. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? Yeah, so still in Senegal discovering things, and I'm in the eastern part of Senegal called Saly. Over here they have a sea or a beach where they catch fish. So I'll be taking you to the place to see the kind of fish they have over there. Man, I believe Africa is one because what I'm seeing right now is the same in every African country. I believe so. And as a seaside boy like myself, there are lots of fish that I've not been seeing them in Ghana, and I'm seeing them in Senegal. So I believe all the fish in Ghana have traveled to Senegal to stay. Man, this place reminds me of Tamale, heading towards Balagatanga. The way the structures, the mosque, the aboboya, the donkeys and everything reminds me of the northern guards of Ghana. The same thing, man. Look at the road. Everything looks like going to the north on the Tamale Boliga road. Wow. Man, it's really beautiful and really interesting seeing all these things, and man, Africa is one. Africa is really one. It's about time that we come together to build a better continent for ourselves. So if this is the first time watching, can you subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother, and I hope you enjoy the video as well. Cooking with Sindaco. Let's do this. So we're heading towards the market, and man, I see Somalians and Africa. Africa. Man, this is the seaside, and it's an amazing barracuda over here. Some giant fish. So basically, this is fish town, and everything here is fish. So they've made a place just at the shore where the fish come, and they have the fresh stuff over here. Look at this, some barracudas and amazing. Chopping. Hello. Wow. So they have fridges over here where they store the fish as well. So man, like a coastal kind of, just at the shore. All these things over here are fridges, and they store them inside. Mamma mia. So one thing that I saw that was really interesting to me, that there were women around that when you buy your fish, they'll be dressing it for you. So it's the kind of job that you also do. They'll be at the shore. When you buy your fish, they'll be asking you, can I clean them for you? Can I wash them for you? Then be taking off the scale. Then they'll be dressing up for you, chop them into pieces. So that means when you get home, you have your fish being done or being prepared for you already. Man, that's really interesting.
You can make a 500. 500.
No. 500. I mean, I don't know why. I don't understand that we don't get this fish in Ghana anymore. But here, all the fish have come to Senegal. So this is a hammer fish. Look at the fish. Look at this giant fish over here. Mamma mia. Wow. Fish no size. Get it. This is octopus, fresh one. Over here. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. So these cars are exporting fish with ice. Basically, the fishmongers buy this and store the fish themselves. Okay, so make like a public business or individual business. They add in the ice, make the different kinds of ways. So all the unused fridge or all the sport fridge is being kept here, modified with the sack to get something like this with the cork, everything to preserve the coolness of it. Interesting. A lot of fish being displayed over here. Wow, fish market and stuff. Now they are having a bundle of fish over here. I don't know how to Ghana, we don't have this kind of fish anymore. One of the days where we have enough fish. But this time around the fish is very less. Now look at the horse. So they don't put the fish, the canoe over here. They stop over there. Then people bring the fish around. Wow. Yeah, what the fishes. Some also use the horse for it. And these people are very religious. Even at the show, they are making prayers. They are praying even at the show. Man, Muslims don't play with their prayers. 5 prayers a day, they don't play with it. Amazing. Okay, so this is a bigger boat, a canoe, and they want this to pull it out. Wow. My first time seeing a truck pulling out a canoe. Interesting. It's really amazing that the truck will not get stuck because man, the whole place is soft. Wow. I'm after a while though. Okay, they're pushing it out. Okay. Okay, they're rather pushing it rather. Because that's stuck over there, so they're pushing it. So one thing about our African shore is that man, it's always dirty. But big up to water region. Man, water region stands out in Ghana. Our African shores is always dirty. I don't know why. And these people are here to eat our fish. If you're in Africa and you don't want fish, they are here to eat your fish for you. So they are waiting for fish to buy. And there's this fish that I've seen, and this fish, inshallah, I'll need to fry some and take back to Ghana or where I'm going. When I'm going back, I need to fry this fish. Man, kwakofe. It's been ages I had this fish, kwakofe, monkfish. Yeah. So when going back from Senegal, I need to have some of this fish fried with me, take along, both play with it. Man, I'm quite enjoy.
Last time to transport the arashi.
Oh, okay.
The color.
Okay. 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 So basically, if my understanding is clear, he means that maybe they tie the canoe, the rope to the canoe, then they'll be leaving them at a long distance. I don't know if my French is correct here. Let me know in the comment section. And the canoe over here are made in a different way, different styles, you know, different designs. Yeah, different design. This is the Senegal version. The colors is popping up. The colors are popping up. Canoe that they are molding, and this is the wood. I think it's red wood, because red wood is one of the big, nicest and the durable wood that we know or we have. Yeah, so they're constructing this. Wow, and this is really huge. Nowhere's canoe. Okay. Yeah, this is red wood. Very strong wood, resistant to many things. Yeah, so that's for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cooking with Sindaco from Senegal, man, seaside, and it is what it is. So let's meet again. Please share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. More to come. and record one.